Welcome to CAD Concept. Today we'll explore 5 advanced and most useful Lisp routines. Lisp routines in AutoCAD generally automate your work process. You can automate your main common task that save you a lot of time and effort. So, without wasting time, let's begin. Number 1. Auto text. So far, we are providing text and we have to input tons of time. We will automate texting. Okay, if you see here this plan we have, let this ATXT. Okay, and click base point and press L only. Now you're getting living. Click here, press H only. Now you see here, and click here, press K only. You are automating your text. Press D for dining and click here, press B for bedroom and let this here T for toilet and same as it is T for toilet. See what happened exactly. We did not input anything. We just have provided first letter only and we have placed perfectly our entire text. This way you can save a lot of time. So there was a time when you input text one by one. So you have to input tons of time. And second thing, it takes your effort and also it might possible error. But this way you can automate your texting. See, you can feed your entire text as much as you have to input in your work. After that, you have to place your short key and perfectly you can automate this way. You can download these all the Lisp routines by joining membership. Number 2, block rename. If you see here, these blocks we will rename directly at a time. Okay. If you see here, these are junk pattern, we are getting these name. We will arrange perfectly our block name. Okay. But in one time. Type B name. Okay. And just select your block and rename your block. Let this sofa, here also let this dining, and here also stove, sink, icebox, TV, bed, chair, and let this here sink. See what happened exactly. It got perfectly renamed. Now it is looking much professional. For example, if I will collect these blocks in table, see what happened exactly. Double BL, select these blocks, okay, enter one time, and let this here. See, you are getting much sharpened block name. If you see here, you must have to keep your block name properly. So this way you can directly edit one by one in just single click. Now you see here, you are getting much professional. Number 3, block boundary. We want to find out its area, block area only, how much space consuming. For that, let this BLK be, click over the block. Click over the block. See what happened exactly. It is creating your outer boundary for all the blocks which one you are selecting. As you see here, this one also, let this one also, and here also, and here also. Now you see, you're getting entire block boundary perfectly. This way you can check out its area, how much consuming your block. As you see here, you're getting complete outer boundary for your block in just one time. Number 4, addition. There was the time when we input text one by one. We will automate addition, okay, for this entire text value. Let this here, type ABBT, just select your entire text and enter on time and click here. You are getting complete summation. These text, if you will add, it will come 200 result. As much as you want, you can select entirely and you will get your added result in just one time. For example, select all, enter, and click here. So this way you can add your entire text. Number 5, area statement. I want to find out area statement in square meter and in square feet also in one time. For this P line, type ASQ, select these two P lines, okay, enter one time, click here and click here. As you see here, you are getting in square meter and in square feet, both in one time. This way you can find out area statement. I hope you got these Lisp routines definitely helpful. Must explore 150 plus advanced automation tasks. This book will explain with facts and figure. You will get great insights over there. You can find the link in description. If you have any doubt, must leave your comment as soon as possible. I will reply your query. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.